Just got it here. We're gonna do roast fish, so we're kind of cutting it to stuff it. This is grunt. Fish, grunt. To slice it deep down like that.
Megan.
Yes.
You know where we come? Take a picture?
Yeah.
Maybe?
Yeah. Have to kind of cut way in like that. Yeah. You slice them like this.
Now that make the season penetrate.
Yeah, to make the season penetrate the fish. So now after we just slice the fish, we're rinsing it, giving it a last rinse. We're gonna season it now. What's that?
This is a special season mix. This is a special mix fish season.
So this what I want to name?
Yeah.
The brown one.
It's a combination of seasons all together.
It's a combination of seasoning you're going to use for
together.
fish.
All together.
See this now, listen now. What I tell you about this. This now, this season is a combination of seasons. That has made special.
Yeah, what you say?
This is a combination of seasons that has made special for fish. I made this season specially. I do not.
So what you mix it with?
This is the real part of it. I cannot give anyone this special secret.
Okay.
It's a secret only to me alone.
Okay. Alright.
Yeah, this, you see me? Yeah.
It looks like some mix up of a powder seasoning still, but yeah.
This is a special season. This make you lick your finger. Everybody wants to know what is it that you put in the fish, make it so nice. But this is the whole secret to it. But I cannot give away the secret. If I give away the secret, then I am going to lose a whole lot because it's very, very so important.
So people, just to say, you see, we have 14 parishes in Jamaica, and every parish people cook different, and they have their own style of cooking. So you see, this is his special fish ingredients that he uses. One day I'll show you my special fish ingredients that I use.
Now wait for the season. Go look at him start cut out the season. Now cut out the season now. Have to stuff it.
So Rodney, about how much garlic you think? How much garlic we use? We use 3 heads of garlic.
3 complete heads of garlic.
And scallion about
a pound of scallion.
a pound.
Yeah, a pound of scallion complete.
Alright. How much onions?
1 pound of onion.
So the pumpkin, yeah, cut up that fine too?
Yeah, the pumpkin is going to make sauce, a special sauce. When you finish, you throw it over the fish when you have served it.
Oh, I say I did.
Yeah.
Right.
And the potato?
Yeah.
That's sauce.
A part of the sauce.
That's a part of the sauce.
How much pepper we use?
Yeah?
How much scotch on it?
We use
Come
about
CJ, come down. I might not get in the
4
house.
scotch bonnet because you know scotch bonnet is very hot.
Yeah. 4 scotch bonnet and 1 green one.
Yeah, that's 5.
And what else we use? How much time? How much pound?
Yeah? Less than 1/4 pound.
Yeah. About a hand.
You know, time is very strong, so you have to just judge the amount, you know.
About a handful.
Less than a handful. A handful is a whole lot of skip times.
Half a handful then.
Less than even that. About
Be specific now, man.
No,
be
Jia.
specific.
Can you?
About that.
Compared to your hand, how much you think you
Just
use?
call it about an ounce at time. That time is very light. And if you put an ounce at time in a scale, you can use about a nice girl, you know. Yeah. Eh?
So now we'll cut these fine. Put the ingredients really fine. And put them together. Put them together in a pot.
Some garlic in here, some pepper.
Rodney, pepper?
You teach them. Yeah, you know. Yeah, man, more thing they have put up here.
I did the okra.
What am I going to do? I'm going to use the okra to make the sauce. The okra is going to go into the sauce.
Oh, okay.
Christine, pass the part back.
Christine,
Pass the part back. You know, I cut them so fine, you know.
No!
Now, where you go? You can't go nowhere, man. You know, you go nowhere by the time you come back, man, you fish me.
So that's butter.
Yeah. That oil comes in.
So that look like about 1 cup of butter. See them Jamaican move here. Yeah, you know, no business. Anything you want to do.
Alright, no problem.
You know, so that better with your hand, Daddy.
1, 2, 3,
And the pepper.
Yeah.
So I carry some food gloves.
We don't have gloves on there.
Yeah,
And you need some food gloves, no? There's more.
leave it.
Transfer 1 meter and not the medical gloves.
Fish that over there.
Go on.
We tell him, he just come up with himself.
Oh.
Ready?
There you are.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Ready? Ready?
I know you want
You want to work the ingredients in and mash it in.
Yo, grab a mash up your sperm cell then, man.
See there, Rodney.
This is like
Myself, you know, for the
No, do not put. We don't need that right now, man.
this is where you stop the fish.
You are dark, you know, man. Listen, man.
Go on now. Direct it.
Eh? Who that?
No, yeah, me not talk. So now we kind of stuffing the fish with the chopped vegetables, seasoning, chopped ingredients, which is the butter, onion, scallion, garlic, pepper. I put like about 3 tablespoons in, about 1/4 cup, about 3 tablespoons. See? 1, 2, about 3 tablespoons.
Come on back this side. Never cut up the file paper for me.
Yeah, and now we're going to wrap these in file paper. The file paper look like it cut
No.
12, a foot by a foot. Just enough to wrap the fish. It's about a foot by a foot.
No, no more right
See how big them are.
Nah, man, enough butter there in this already.
Open that door. Open that.
So now we put the fish in the middle and fold it.
Open that.
Just fold it like that.
Open that, Gina.
And flip it over.
Open that, Gina.
I hear one.
No, Daddy.
And flip it. Just like that.
All of them are here.
Follow me, no. Oh, my daddy wants.
And then you just, after you fold it, you can put it on the grill. So you just put it on the grill like that on one side and just let it stay.
Right. And man,
The file look like it cut about 2 feet by 1.
this is the first set come out, the man start. This man eats until he said, Daddy, we can't.
This look like one half size of a gallon drum. So we'll put about 7 in. And when time it and let it
The
know.
jerk one looks special.
How much? What size is this? What size did I say this is? Me just say I take a guess. So you say
This is special. I'm going to
That 10 gallon jump on.
oh, 10 gallon jump on grill. You hear that? So it's been about 1 hour. They flipped it about 3 times. 3 times every 20 minutes. You can check it to see if it's tender. Alright. So this is the first batch that came out.
Yeah, yeah, man.
It took an hour.
No, but the conch already. The conch just go on now. Yeah, man, the conch just go on now. Where's the ready?
The phone already here.
I want that. The fish ready. I mean, alone, I do everything in the bar.
Yeah. Remember when you see me, you come to me.
See me?
I'm seeing what you're either by.
So this is how it looks. That's his grandson saying daddy. People, if you can smell this, it smells nice.
The fish really big in the body, no daddy. It's really big.
Very good man, Rodney, to still live like that. Just not use plenty juice. Yeah, it's like and it's like food. So that's it, people. Yeah, so you can sprinkle the sauce that we were making. You're going to sprinkle. The sauce took about 35 minutes, 45 minutes to boil up all of the ingredients and so forth. So that's how it's served. You tear off a piece of the file and then put it on a plate. One of those. What kind of plate that? One of those little waste plate. You know, just throw it away after you finish using it. Remember my name for them? I can't remember.
Alright.